Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Your Name, and in today's video, we're diving into one of my absolute favorite VPN features, split tunneling. Specifically, we're looking at how to get the best setup with Surfshark's bypasser feature. If you've ever had to turn off your VPN just to access your local banking site, or found your torrent download slows your streaming to a crawl, then you know the pain. You want security for some apps, but full speed and local access for others. That's where split tunneling comes in. Simply put, split tunneling, or as Surfshark calls it, bypasser, lets you decide which apps or websites use the VPN tunnel, and which go directly to the internet. This is a game changer because you get the security and privacy of the VPN where you need it, while keeping your original speed and local access for everything else. I've been using it for years, and for my workflow, it's essential. Let's jump into the setup. I'm showing this on the Windows app, but the steps are very similar across other platforms like Android. Open Surfshark and look to the left-hand menu. Go to Settings, then VPN Settings, and finally, click on Bypasser. You'll see two options. For the best, most secure default setup, I recommend the Bypass VPN method. This means most of your traffic is encrypted by the VPN, and you only select the exceptions. Toggle that on. Next, you get to choose your exceptions. You can select either Select Apps or Add Websites or IP addresses. For apps, click Select Apps and simply check the box next to any application you want to bypass the VPN. For me, that's usually my banking app, maybe my printer software, or a local network file sharing tool. For websites, click Add Websites or IP addresses. Here, I'll enter things like my regional streaming service login pages or, again, my local bank's URL. Once you've selected your list, click Done. Now, when you connect your VPN, everything except these items will be securely encrypted. That's my preferred configuration for general security. Now, there is an advanced option for power users, route via VPN. This is the inverse split tunneling method. When you enable this, absolutely nothing uses the VPN unless you specifically add it to the list. My best use case for this. I use this almost exclusively for torrenting and streaming. I keep my VPN disconnected for general browsing, which is fast. I switch to route via VPN, and only add my torrent client and a specific streaming browser to the list. This ensures that only my torrent traffic is secured, and my streaming is connected to my US server for my foreign library, while everything else on my computer runs direct and fast. It's less secure as a default, but highly efficient when you only need the VPN for one or two specific tasks. To wrap up my personal best practices for Surfshark's bypasser: default security, stick to bypass VPN, and only exclude things that need to see your real location, like your bank. Performance, exclude high bandwidth apps, like your game launcher or streaming service, to take the load off the VPN server and get better speed. Always test. After setting it up, open an IP checker website outside of your excluded list, and one inside, like a geo-locked site. The first should show the VPN IP, and the second should show your real IP. If it works, you're set. That's the Surfshark bypasser, a simple but powerful tool for balancing security and convenience. And that's it for the best Surfshark split tunneling setup. I hope this detailed look at the bypasser feature helps you maximize your VPN performance. Thank you so much for watching. If this script helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.